Okay, we're looking now at uploading the information the user types in into a database. So here I am in my PHP, my admin screen, and I've just created a new table. I've called it user info. I've got 5 fields. One's a primary key, the name that the user's typed in, the location, the path to the file that they've uploaded, and their email address. So pretty simple stuff there. At the moment, there is nothing in it. So let's go and have a look at an existing file that we talked about, which was to add a user. So we can steal a lot of this code. So similar thing, we've got a little form down here where user enters a name and a password, and there's a submit button. Then inside the if statement up at the top, we've got an echo saying you click something. Then we build up a string, which I've called SQL, which is doing the SQL statement to insert a user into the table. So insert into users to username, password, and it sticks in the post values, if I scroll along, into those 2 fields. And then I'm printing it out. Really good debugging technique. Line break there. This is the line that actually does the stuff. All right, so it uses the connect object, which we've already set up in this include up here. So no messing around with passwords or usernames in each file, just in one place. Then we are running our little query, which we've built up here, and then it's sticking it into a variable called results. Okay, if it's worked, you'll get a true, which means there was success, and the username is registered successfully. Otherwise, you get a message saying something went wrong. Okay, bit vague. There are other ways of doing error trapping, but for now, that'll do. So let's just pinch that and edit it to add to our simple form. Not so simple anymore. So we've got the information from the user, we've uploaded the file, so it's down here that we want to start adding to the database. So let's paste the code and see what we need to change. So first of all, the field isn't called users2, it's called user info, I think. And then let's just double check. The fields were called, let's just check the fields, user info, name, location, file path, email. So let's try this. So name, location, file path, email. And then now you can try and put it onto a new line, but I'm just going to write it all in one. So bear with me. Name, location, file path, email. So username is the first one, I believe. The second one was called location. The third one isn't in the post, is it? It's up here. It's called $upload file, isn't it? So just copy that. So you need to be quite careful with your commas and your spaces and your quotes and your dots. Okay, just have your wits about you as you're building this string, which is one of the reasons why it's really good to print it out, just so you can spot what you're trying to do. So then we want another $post location and box there. Okay, so you should find, oh, I think I'm missing a quote somewhere. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Aha, I need to add another dot and another quote. So, yes, just check that the parts in green are your text, the parts inside the dots are the variables that you're concatenating together, and then remember to wrap each element in quotes as it's being submitted. So let's just try that. Okay, rather than, so that's echoing it out, that's going to try it. We've got the username registered successfully. Let's leave that. Let's try it. So if I save that, I have no idea if it's going to work, but let's try it. So my name is Phil, I'm in Bath, my email address is that and that. I'll upload a file, go one, it's going to be trees again. Click submit. Oh, something went wrong. Okay, so this is where the value, and I didn't mean to do this, this is where the value of printing it out. If I was in the classroom, I'd say, can anyone see what's wrong? Well, I can see what's wrong. I'm missing quotes out because essentially this SQL statement requires quotes around things it's trying to put into those fields. So I'm missing one on the end of location and one on the around my path and on bar, which should be email, shouldn't it? Right, let's go and fix that. So the first one was after location. I need to have a single quote. I need a single quote in front of my upload file, and on the end of upload file, and another single quote there. And also we should change that to email, shouldn't we? Okay, let's try that. So save. Try it again. His name is Elvis now. He lives in Las Vegas. His email address is that. And choosing a file, it's going to be trees. We're going to click submit. There we go, we've got username registered successfully. So we'll be able to see if these work by going to my table in PHP My Admin, clicking browse. There we go, we've got Elvis Las Vegas and we've got a path to where his file was, which might be a picture. And we'll have a look at how we can display that in the next video. I'll show you my code as the last screen so you can see how we've managed to do that. Thanks for watching.